Well, a Master Penman in the old days, 100 years ago, was an honorary term that was pretty much bestowed upon you by other people who were considered and regarded as masters in the art, which means that your skill at lettering was the best it could be. Now, there were different styles, and so some people were regarded as Master Penman in one style. The most revered masters were masters of various styles. It was quite an honor. Today, Master Penman is a certification process where you need to demonstrate your skills and also commit yourself to teaching them and the history of American penmanship. It's not just something where you have this mantle of a title and you can go merrily through life just doing your demonstrations. It also involves teaching and sharing so that this type of skill and the heritage behind it will never be forgotten again like it was.